Hello creative entrepreneurs. Today we have an exciting video for everyone with a creative spirit who is looking to turn their passion into a profitable business. In this video, we will explore how you can use AI-powered design ideas from ChatGPT and the amazing AI art generator midjourney to create and sell vector art on Etsy. So keep watching because I will share a pro tip which will enable you to push your digital product into multiple marketplaces in a matter of few clicks and enable you to make even more money. Before we dive into creating vector art, let's talk about the process of idea generation and what type of vector art we should create and sell. There are two possible ways to do that. First, by visiting Etsy and manually reviewing other people's listing. You can gain valuable insights into what type of digital art is selling and what people are offering. Take note of the styles, subjects, and pricing strategies that seem to be resonating with buyers. Look for patterns and commonalities among successful listings. For example, you might notice that nature-inspired illustrations are in high demand, or that abstract geometric patterns are captivating buyers. By analyzing these trends, you can gain valuable insights into what captures the attention of your target audience. However, remember that while market research is crucial, it's equally important to infuse your own unique creativity and artistic voice into your vector art. Use the inspiration you gather to inform and guide your creative process. The combination of understanding market preferences and expressing your artistic vision will help you develop a portfolio of vector art that resonates with buyers and sets you apart from the competition. For instance, if you notice that watercolored designs are popular, you can experiment with your own interpretation of that style. The second way of generating ideas is my favorite and really very fun. That is by using ChatGPT to generate design ideas and automating the whole process. While interacting with ChatGPT, try prompts like list vector art design ideas that I can sell online on different marketplaces, or generate idea for a vibrant and energetic abstract vector illustration. Review the design ideas generated by ChatGPT and select the ones that resonate with your artistic vision and align with the market trends you discovered earlier. Now that we have our selected design idea, it's time to bring them to life using midjourney. Midjourney provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to customize various aspects of your vector art, such as colors, shapes, and other details. For this example, I'm going with the dog vector since this listing is doing very great. As you can see, it has over 12k reviews and also 20 plus customers have it in their basket. So now, let's jump straight into writing the prompt. I have also explained this in very detail in my previous video that how to write a prompt in midjourney. For a quick recap, keep your prompt simple and divide them into 3 sections: subject, style, and customization. So in this case, the prompt subject would be dog head vector bundle sheet. As for design style, there are so many: cartoon style, hand-drawn style, watercolor style, and so on. Since we are creating dog head vectors, I think cartoon style will work best. So let's add cartoon style to our prompt. The only thing left now is the customization. I would like my design to be on a white background because we will remove the background later. So now we have the subject, which is dog head vector bundle sheet. For style, we have cartoon style and white background for the customization. As you can see on the screen, here is how the result came out using midjourney. It can't get any better than this. This is really very professional. Once you have created your vector art, you might want to upscale it for high quality printing or other purposes. Since we will convert our image into a vector, the upscaled version will work best. There are many online services available that can help you with this. On top of the list is imageupscaler.com. No doubt it gives best results, but it's not free to use. As you can see, it only provides few credits. But you don't need to worry because I'm here to help. I have tested many free alternatives but was not very impressed with the results. Then I found this website which is totally free to use and allow you to upscale as many images as you like, and the results are also very stunning. The only problem is you have to wait before you can download your upscaled image. To upscale your image using this website, just click on the 4 boxes, then click on Image Upscaler, drag and drop your image and let the AI do its magic. After upscaling, it's time to further refine our image by converting it into a vector file format, such as SVG. Adobe Illustrator is a powerful tool that can assist you with this process, but there are also free online alternatives available. We will come to that later in the video. Simply right-click on the image and open with Adobe Illustrator. Once you have your image opened, zoom into the image and see closely. You will observe that the image is pixelated because it's a raster image. That's why we want to convert it into a vector image. So the first step is to select the image. At the top, you will find Image Trace option with a drop-down arrow with some more options. Each option will produce different result, but since we want to keep all the colors, low fidelity photo will work best. Once the conversion is done, look closely for fine details. If you are not happy with the results, you can always refine your conversion using this Image Trace panel here. Once you are happy with the result, click on the image and then click on Expand. And just like that, with few clicks, we have successfully converted our image into vector. Now if we zoom in, you can see that the image remains sharp. Now let's remove the unnecessary areas. Now that we have removed the background, it's time to export our vector as SVG. To do that, go to File, then Export, select the file format and press Save. Now let's try free online alternative and compare the result. Go to vectorizer.ai and then drag and drop the image where it says drag image here to begin. Wait for the conversion to complete. Actually, not bad. I think the AI vectorizer has also done a very good job. But still, let's compare both the vectors from Adobe Illustrator and vectorizer.ai side by side. I like this vector from Adobe Illustrator. As you can see, the lines are more crisp and defined. For those who are not familiar with Adobe Illustrator, they can use the vector from vectorizer.ai. But here, I will go with this one. Once you have your vector, it's time to go to Etsy and upload your creation for sale. When listing your vector art on Etsy, make sure to include detailed descriptions that highlight the unique features and benefits of your creations. Also set competitive prices based on your market research. Unfortunately, I will not be able to explain the complete uploading process in this video because the video will get too long and it might take another hour. Now, as promised, let me tell you a pro tip. Don't just upload your artwork on Etsy alone. You can target multiple marketplaces to make it appear to different customers. One of the best ways is to go to Wirestock. This allows you to submit your artwork to different marketplaces within a few clicks, and it also handles the keywording for you. So for Wirestock, all you have to do is to go to Upload in the top right hand corner, then select from your computer, select your vector file and wait for the upload to complete. Add AI generated in the caption box and then click on Post. You will see that in a few clicks, you have automatically submitted your artwork to a number of different marketplaces. Make sure to uncheck Alamy and Getty Images because they currently don't accept AI-generated works. And there you have it. By combining market research with AI-generated design ideas from ChatGPT and the creative capabilities of midjourney, how easily we created stunning vector art and also submitted it for sale on multiple marketplaces. Don't be afraid to dream big. Create unique designs and connect with your audience. The possibilities are endless. So that's it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tutorials and business tips.